So, how are you, Sam?
Yeah,
Okay, you look good.
yeah, I
What's
look good today.
happening? What?
Um, I haven't do my chores yet. That's why I look good.
Oh,
I would look
all right.
fine. I would look tired if I finished my chores.
Sam, I couldn't hear you clearly.
Oh, I think because my mic is not in the best quality right now.
Aha, right now I can hear you. What did you say?
It's okay. I just said that. Just that I'm just saying that my mic is just broken. That's it.
No, I mean the early one.
Yeah, I'm not tired yet. I haven't finished any work yet. That's why I look good.
Oh, that's great. So, what's your plan for today? Hmm, okay.
My plan for today. After
Yes.
this, I'm just gonna do my chores and that's it.
Okay.
Hold up, hold up.
What chores is that?
Just wash the dishes and stuff like that.
Wow, that's great. You're diligent. I mean, like, I rarely to see boy to wash dishes.
Yeah,
That's great, Sam. Mm-hmm.
that's my job.
Okay, okay. So, what how about your school, Sam?
My school's good.
Good.
Yeah,
So, mm-hmm. Do you have many tasks or assignments?
a bit.
A bit. Okay. I mean, like, most of the student that I have been teached, kind of, uh, yeah, not, uh, good look or something like that because they have many assignments. So it's like,
Uh,
yeah, that's why I asked you. Oh, Sam, you look good. So what's happening? Yeah,
uh,
and
I'm
that's
usually too lazy to do my school assignments at home. But I just do it at school.
okay. So
Except for science assignments, I'll do it. I usually do that.
do
Mhm.
you like science, Sam?
Yeah, I like science.
Okay. So what what's your wish? I mean, like, what do you want to be?
Unclear.
Scientist?
Unclear. I'm just gonna
Unclear?
be my passion and that's it.
What is that? I mean,
I don't know.
you don't know. Still, I don't know.
I haven't decided that yet.
You haven't decided. Okay. Okay, Sam.
Hmm?
So before we start your lesson for today, maybe you have question for me about the last meeting.
Um, nah, I don't have any questions for last meeting.
You don't have any question?
Nah, I'm good.
No. Okay, today you
Yeah.
will create your second project with Turtle, and we call it as a simple paint project. I provide two kinds of two kind of projects in this case, and I will show you the using a professional environment first, or that's the second, and I will show you how our website can do that also. But I say professional environment is because our website cannot do something like screen dot background or set your
Oh,
turtle background. That's why we need the other software, or we call it as a professional environment. Let me show you later. Okay. So
okay.
what's the goal? So the goal for today is you can create something like this, Sam. Okay. So as you can see, when you have an object and then the object is like that, you can
Mhm.
do something like drawing like this. Okay, you can create your name or yeah, draw a lob like this. Okay, so what is our task? The goal is we want to program this stuff, and then we have a task like we have to program the drawing of
How?
multiple graphic object using mouse, and then implement the additional ability to draw using your keyboard. Also, we will implement the ability to choose the color of the pen, and if time permits, we can add a pill color. All right, so let's see. This is the simple mind map or the sample mind map for the project. So this is the name of the project, and then it consists of drawing object and working with color. Drawing object, you need to draw the curves and then lines
Basta mama,
using
pelan-pelan.
mouse.
Basta mama, pelan-pelan.
Uh-huh.
No, 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 wait, sir.
Okay. And then drawing lines, I prefer to use keyboard. Okay, and then pen selection, we can use one of your button ladder on your keyboard, and then pillow shape, you can use
Mama
keyboard
suruh harus
also.
buat, kasih tau mama.
Okay,
Alicia,
yeah, uh-huh.
no, hold up, sir. My sister, hold up, hold up.
Okay,
Some
okay,
family thing.
okay.
Okay, let's go.
Done?
Yeah, yeah. Go, sir.
Okay,
Continue, continue. Let's go.
so, all right. So this is the goal for today. Implement prototype the simple pen graphic editors with, yeah, I told you this stuff. Okay, so what is an object, Sam? Did you remember what is an object
Yeah, it's
in
like,
your, yeah, in your mind? I mean, with your opinion.
so like, object is like something that represents something in real life,
Yeah,
like something that
exactly.
like encapsulate data.
Oh, that's exactly right. I like that opinion, by the way. Okay, how about property or event? Do not we haven't talked about property. How about event? You know what is event? Event subscription and event
Something
handler.
that happens specifically
Okay.
when, like
How
for
about
example, I click the screen, boom, I click something. That's event, right?
I? That's right. How about event subscription?
I forgot.
You forgot? That's basically uh the button that connects with the event. Okay. And then the event handler is
Mhm.
the algorithm that set what will happen to that when you click a button. Okay? You got it,
Okay,
Sen?
I got it.
Okay. Now let's see and let's do this project. So what event is happening in this picture and how many times does the user click on the turtle?
He is
Well,
gone.
something that happenings is the user holds down the left mouse button on the turtle. That's the first thing. Second is it moves the cursor and draws with the turtle. So it's like you hold down you hold the mouse and then you kind of move around your screen and then it will do something like that. Okay, Sam? The
Okay.
question is how we can do that? Well, we need to use new comment in this case, and then we call
Oh,
it as a on drag method. So what is on drag, Sam? Did you remember what is on click, Sam?
I'm gonna it would click something.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. You're right. You're right about that. So on drag basically is it allows you to drag and drop the turtle. That's the difference. You got it? So
Okay.
click will allow you um click something, and then the on drag will allow you to drag and uh drop the turtle or your object. Okay, and both of these command need a function. Okay, Sam. Now,
Okay.
how would we create a function? Well, because it's just the position changing. I mean, when we want to move your object into the other place or the other coordinates, it's just position changing. It means that the draw basically we just need to use dot go to function. Okay, Sam? And
Okay.
then this is how we can create it, and then this is how we can connect the function with the
What?
command. Okay, Sam?
Okay.
So, you got it?
Okay.
You got it?
Yeah, I got it. So like we need to make something that for it to move to the coordinates and something that will like the draw or draw.
Yes, exactly. You're right about that. Okay, so now something that we need to also know is we have to know about get screen method. So what is get screen method? So I have to tell you this stuff first. On screen click. On screen click command will allow you to subscribe to the click on the screen. It's like you can connect with the screen. That's the simple way to say that. Okay? You can connect with your screen. Now, when you want to connect on the screen, you need to first get the screen using .get screen method. Okay? So basically,
Mhm.
if you don't call that method, so on screen click doesn't work. It won't work at all. Okay? So it's like a pair of functions, Sam. Okay? So you should say get
Okay.
screen first. It's like you want to grab the screen of yours, of course, and
Yeah.
then on screen click will allow you to, touch your screen like that. Okay?
Okay.
Based on this definition, of course, subscribe to click on a screen. Okay? Sam,
Okay.
you got it. And on screen method, just like on drag and the second one is on click. I mean, like they, both of them, three of them need a function or need an algorithm. Okay. Now that's what I want to tell you. And then the last thing I want to tell you is how we can connect our keyboards with our function. Well, basically, we need to use first screen.listen and screen.on key. Screen.listen command, this command I want to tell the screen object to listen to the case. So like when you want to touch the case, Sam, or your button on your keyboard, so dot listen kind of listening. Oh, is Sam touching me or not? Like that. Okay, that's screen dot listen. And then that on key, it's like uh it connects your screen or the button that you have been clicked with the function and the key. Okay, Sam?
Okay.
Okay, I think that's all. And then this is how you can, let me explain to you all of the complete code later. Okay, do you have question first about the question theoretical concept?
No.
No?
No.
Not at all? Okay. Let me show you our work. Okay, there we go. So I wanna create something at laboratory, but yeah, I've tried to do something like I try to use a professional environment in laboratory, and I hope that will work, but it doesn't work at all, Sam. This one, I mean. So this is needs something that we we cannot do this in our platform. So this is basically professional environment, but we will not use this. So I mean, like, we just create what our PowerPoint explains us. Okay.
What? Okay. On what website?
Uh, Now go to the our website, Algonova's website. This
Already,
tab,
I'm already in the course. I'm already in the course.
what do you mean?
I'm already in the course.
Oh,
This,
okay.
uh,
So you're already in here.
yeah, with course.
Okay. Now go to lesson. What lesson is this? Module 3, lesson 3.
Simple propane.
Yeah, lesson 20. Okay. There we go, Sam. Okay, so this is what will happen later. So you can do something like this and then hit the red button to change the color like this.
The what?
Okay. The
Red
color.
button?
No, I mean R button on your keyboard.
What? How?
Just you just to need to hit the R letter on your keyboard.
Hmm?
The R letter, Sam.
And how
The
does that work?
what?
How does that work?
Like this. So now I have touched the R on my keyboard. Okay.
Okay.
Now if you touch, I also set the green button here, and then the green button connects with the G button. Excuse me, the green function connects with the G button. So if you hit G, it will change its color into G or green like this.
Okay.
Okay, now let me explain to you first. All right. First of all, because we are using turtle, so we need to say from turtle, import everything. Okay, Sam?
Okay.
Okay. Now, I want to create something as an object. Well, you can create more than one object, but it will, yeah, yeah, you can create one more than one object. But in this case, I just create one object. Okay, and then the name of my object is T. T is equal to turtle. And then I, colored my object with blue first, and then the thickness of my object, and then the shape of my object, and then I use pan down, and then I use actually this is quite useless because we have the control for the drawing, so it doesn't work actually. I mean the speed, so you can kind of comment this stuff. Okay, Sam?
Okay.
Now, I said to you that when we want to work with on drag method and on click method, we need to create a function first. And then the function basically it just consists of the dot go to method. Okay, Sam? And then this is how it works. Depth
Okay.
draw provides the coordinates x and y for this method, and then you just need to say t dot go to x comma y. You got it?
Comma y is a variable or
Yes, but this is the generalization. I mean, like, do not use a number here because later the number will change when you call them. Okay?
what does the x and y represent then?
Your coordinates. I mean, something in, hold on, some, mm, something in here, Sam. Yeah. So this is the y along the vertical line, and then this is the x along the x line, horizontal line. Okay, so that x and y represents. Okay,
Okay.
You got it, Sam? I mean,
Or
like, we
basically
cannot
just
use a certain coordinate like this because this is will make it static. We do not want, I mean, like, you cannot move if you use a number here. That's the why. Yeah, it's a variable.
okay.
You got it.
Okay, got it, got it, got it.
Truly.
Yeah, I got it. So basically, it's like it's only used to represent like where we're going right now.
Yes, exactly.
Mm.
Okay. And
Okay, okay.
also the move. But because the move, it's like it's not like drawing. Like when you move, of course, you need to. It's like traveling, right, Sam? I mean, you need
Okay.
to, I don't know, pen up something like that, like this. So when you want to go a certain coordinate, you need to pen up first, and then go to that coordinate, and then pen down or start to drawing. You got it?
Okay, got it, got it.
Okay. Now I will explain to you this top ladder. Now let me explain to you about how we can connect the move and draw function. Well, to connect with them, first we need to say t.onDirect draw. So basically, it allows us to draw your object. In this case, the circle. And then this is what will happen. Oops, excuse me. Oh yeah, let me do something like this first. Yeah, oops, like this, Sam. Okay, so it allow you to drag the object like this. Okay,
But at the same time, you can change the color like that.
no, because there is no function
Oh,
to
you're
change the
right.
color.
No, it's your hashtag already. Your hashtag.
Yeah, you got it. How it on drag works?
Okay, so basically, like you'll be able to drag it. That's it.
Yes, exactly.
Oh,
Okay,
okay.
we are based on the function, of course. Okay, now after that, let's talk about on screen click. So on screen click basically will allow you to move. Aha. So you can move to, yeah, certain coordinate. Okay, Sam?
Okay. Okay.
You got it?
I got it. Got it. Got it.
And then you have to remember that you need to screen dot listen first, and then screen dot on screen click will kind of validate that.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Okay, now about changing the color. How would we do that? Well, basically, to change the color, we need to use dot color function. And then you need to create one by one for the function. Let's say in here I have created set red, and then we just need to say t dot color. So it will change the color into red. Okay? Whatever the name of the function. Let's say the name of my function is Sam, like this. And then I will change my object color into, let's say, gray, like this, Sam. Okay? But I wanna explain to you about when we want to change the color, the method that we should use is dot color method. Okay? Or the object and
Okay.
then dot color. And then the name, the function's name completely depends on you. Okay? I mean, like, let's say set gray here or whatever. It depends on you. But I recommend you to use the same name as the color because when you want to call this function, it will make it easier. You
Okay.
got it?
I got it. I got it.
Okay. Now, how would we connect these functions with the button? Well, we can use screen.on key in this case. So I will use something like this. I will say, after I get the screen, now I have to connect a button with a function. In this case, I want to connect set thread with R button. So what is set thread? Set thread will color my object into red. It means that when I touch the R button, it will automatically change the color or the object's color like that.
Okay. So basically, like I press the R button, turns to red.
Yes, exactly. Okay, Sam? You got it.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, now let me send also the gray one on key like this, set dot gray, and then let's use do not G, maybe the gray is what? Uh A. Let's use A. All right, Sam. Like that. Now, if you run your code and then hit A, it will change into gray. And then R, red, and then yeah, and then green into with G, and then blue with B, like that, Sam. You got it.
Oh, wow.
You got it,
Oh,
right?
okay, I got it. So basically,
Now,
like I hold
mm-hmm,
up. So basically, I can make the variable the step down is variable or what?
step this one.
This that one is that variable
No, this is function.
function?
But
So
I
basically,
mean,
let me
like,
make hold up.
mm-hmm,
That means we
mm-hmm,
need to make a function that connects everything together.
exactly right.
Oh, thank God. You know, I thought we're gonna use some weird formulas or something. Okay, I'm gonna stop it.
No, no, no. It's just with the function. So you can create your own person ladder, Sam.
Oh,
I mean, like, maybe this is too boring for you. Well, you can do something that makes you happy. Okay? Like
okay.
whatever. So basically, if you understand about forward, left, color, and pen down, pen up, something like that, everything should be fine. Okay, Sam? Okay, now the last thing I want to explain to you, I create step up, step down, step left, and step right here, and start pill and end pill. And then basically I do not this is kind of an idea. So when I do not want to use my mouse to draw this button, Sam, are you okay, Sam?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Okay.
Okay,
So,
I need to grab something to charge real quick. I need to charge.
okay, okay. I like you, Sam, by the way. Oh my God, Samuel.
Let's go. Let's go.
Done?
Yeah, let's go.
All right. So, Sam, the second step is when you this is kind of
Tinggal tuh HP, tinggal tuh HP. Tinggal.
my
Dora, kita pakai ke sini. Dora.
uh is everything okay, Sam?
Nah, my sister's trying to take the phone that we use for business stuff. No, nah. Yeah.
Okay, let me mute you first. Satu yang akan ku pinta.
Yeah, let's go. Wait, I only need to do like this project only for today.
Well, actually, you have a week to do that. Okay, so the last thing I want to explain to you about step up, down, left, and right. So basically, this step we create it because we do not want to use, we do not want always use the mouse to drawing for
Oh,
drawing. Excuse
why?
me.
Why?
because yeah, sometimes we want to create straight
Straight line.
line. Yes, like that. So
Mhm.
now we want to kind of uh, utilize the ability of turtle using its x coordinate and y coordinate. So step up basically will change the y coordinate. It means that you need to create step variable, and then this step is for 15 pixels, and then you need to say p dot go to, the x coordinate should be same or static, but the y coordinate should be changing like this. So t dot y core dot or plus step. So when you touch now your and then don't forget to connect it with a function. Excuse me, with a button like this. Okay? So screen dot on key, step up. I want connect it with my up arrow on my keyboard. And then this is what will happen if I touch my oops, excuse me. Why it doesn't work? Hold on.
Selamat siang, selamat siang.
Is everything okay, Sam? Aha,
Yeah,
this one.
I'm sure.
Okay, Sam. And then
Okay.
step down will decrease the y-axis. That's why t dot y core minus step. And then step left will decrease the x-axis. And then the step right will increase the x-axis. And then start peel, begin to peel, and end peel will end the peel or your area. And then we have to connect all of the function with a key on your keyboard, and then this is what will happen. First, I can use my mouse, and if I on a bad mood, let's say I do not want to use my mouse, we can use now our button, raw button, left button,
Wait, sir, I
up
need to open the
button.
gate. I need to open the gate.
Okay, okay.
Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go.
Done?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
So I think that's all, Sam.
For
So now
today.
I can change the color into red, and then using my uh, uh what down arrow, and then left arrow, and then up
Mhm.
arrow. Okay? Like that,
Okay.
Sam. Now do you have question? And then of course you can hit the F button to start peeling like this, and then you can create an area to peel, and then hit this button, the E button, to end peel, and then this is what will happen.
Uh, um,
Okay.
okay.
Okay, do you have questions, Sam?
No.
No. Okay, now can you do that, or I mean like, okay, I will guide you. Do you have question maybe first? Nothing.
No.
Okay, now you can share your screen, and then let's see what will happen. What can you do? Okay, now pen down, and then depth draw x comma y and comma colon, and then t dot go to x comma y, and then and then
But
depth move depth move x comma y. No, I mean inside its parentheses. And then now you have to t dot pen up first, and then t dot go to x comma y, and then t dot pen down.
and up and down. Yeah.
Pen down first, pen up first,
And uh,
and then oops,
oh, oh, what? Oh, okay.
and then t dot go to, and then t dot pen down. All right, now when you want to connect with the function, oh, you want to create all of the function first,
Yeah.
or you want, okay. Now maybe
Use
the next is coloring. Sep
uh,
dot depth dot set color, set red, set green. I mean, not set color. I mean, set what color? Set red, set green, set blue, or what? Parentheses. Red, parentheses.
hold up. That
Okay, parentheses. And then hit enter. Now you need to say t dot color, parentheses, quotation mark, red. And then also for the other color. You can copy
okay.
and paste it, by the way,
I'm oh,
to make it, yeah. Sam, I want to excuse Bruce, okay?
okay.
You like pink? Oh,
No. I just do
no,
it
no.
for I just do it because I need because I have to.
Oh, yeah, okay. I like that one.
I like all colors. It's like yellow. Well, what exists, right? Okay, I think that's it. I think that's autocorrect.
Okay, now how about step up, step down? You want to do that?
Nah,
No?
no.
Okay. Now the next thing is you need to connect all of the function. First,
What up?
uh, you need to say
Yeah, forget.
no, no, no. Just say p dot on drag
P, P, dot,
t because your object's name is
P,
t
on.
on drag parenthesis draw.
Oh,
Done.
okay.
And then screen is equal to p dot get screen.
Something like this. P,
Get screen.
the whole, do we have to say like screen or just SQ, SCR?
Screen. The complete word.
Okay, that's it.
I mean, parenthesis.
Draw again.
No, I mean nothing. Yeah. And then now screen SCR for you. Screen dot on key.
What?
Mm-hmm.
What? You say?
Par
Okay.
on key
Okay.
dot on key. Screen dot on key parenthesis the name of the function and then the button that you want to connect with.
Hold
Set
on.
red, let's say. Set red, comma, quotation mark, the button. Okay. That should same with the other. That's the yeah. Now
Why is it not turning red?
hit the R button first.
I am.
Oh, hold on. Because you there is no screen dot listen. So you need to say screen dot listen.
As we, but at the end or now?
At the end, at the end.
As, on key? Keep on doing the on key thing?
No, I mean like for confirmation, for confirming first, screen dot.
On key again. Like this.
Uh, no, I mean screen dot listen for confirming, listen parenthesis done, and then hit enter. Now the last thing you need to say is
Why is it not working?
screen dot on screen click. Yeah, that one. I mean to utilize the move after that. Screen dot on
On
screen
key.
click. No, no, no. Oh yeah, that's for setting the other color. You're right.
I'm gonna set up the other colors first. Mhm. There we go. There we go. This might take a while. No, I want purple. Mm. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Orange, black, white.
Actually, one? Is that one?
Uh, yes.
Okay.
Okay, now let's see if this works.
N-
You know, hold up. W, black, would be L. Okay, go. 3, 2, 1, go. Go.
Okay. The last thing for the moving, Sam.
Okay.
At line 60, you need to say screen dot on screen click parenthesis on screen click parenthesis move. Boom. Jackpot. Everything's done.
Why is it so laggy when you move?
If you want, you can set the speed, but it also doesn't work. I've tried it.
That is not paint. Okay.
So white basically just like eraser, right?
Okay. That's it.
Done.
Wait, that's it for today.
That's it. Now you can submit your task. You know how to do that? Boom.
Just set still.
Yeah, you just need to say begin pill and pill.
Wow.
Dep start pill maybe the name of the function. Start pill parenthesis Oops. T dot begin pill.
Oh, just like that for everything else.
Yes. And then and pill. T dot and pill. Don't forget the parenthesis, Sam, because that's a function. Yep. T dot and pill. I think it's better to make it underscore on there, Sam, and
Where?
underscore pill, because if you do something like that, it means that you call the function that you just created. Uh, yeah, and then oh yeah, okay, that's yeah done.
Begin, start, fill, and full. Mhm. Uh,
Star pill per. Mm-hmm. And then yeah, quotation mark. And
what? What am I thinking? Okay, let's
all
try
right,
that. Mhm.
all right, boom,
Now let me just do something real quick.
laboratory exactly, letter. All right, Sam. Okay, Sam.
We got it for today.
Okay, I
Yay.
think you can stop your screen. Now
Mhm.
let's take a recap for your lesson. So, what did you learn, Sam?
I learned to draw.
You learned to.
Draw. Um,
What is your module?
my model turtle.
Okay. Could you tell me what is uh on key used for, Sam?
So, for example, like I press the word W, it'll just print something out.
Okay.
Then
So it okay. How about on screen click?
when we click the screen, something will happen.
How about get screen?
Get what?
Get screen.
Get screen. You get the screen? I don't know. Ah, I don't know. Forgot.
That's the honest answer. Wow, you get the screen. So basically, you are so basically it's not your screen. That's what you mean.
Yeah, I think.
Ah, okay, how about uh on drag function?
On drag.
Mm-hmm.
Basically, logic to drag the mouse.
Okay. And then how about screen dot listen?
It listens, so if we click something, it will know it.
Yeah, exactly. So Sam, get screen means that you create a variable and it's like your screen. So someone's not taking your screen. No. Okay. Okay, Sam. And
Okay,
then what is all of the functions that you have been created used for?
to draw and to create
What?
color. To create colors.
Yeah, that basically it depends on what the goal that you want to do. I mean, like for the set red, oh, I want to change the color of my object into red, like that.
Yeah, like
Okay.
that.
Okay. And then on key, basically something that you can do to implement that function. Or I can say like the subscription or the subscriber, like that. Okay, Sam?
Okay, okay.
Okay. So, uh, in the next meeting, Sam, you learn about OOP. So basically, you will create something from the beginning later. But let me ask you about what is the easiest part of today's lesson, Sam? What do you think the easiest part?
I think the entire thing is easy. Just making like the colors and stuff. I think that's easy.
Oh, so everything's easy?
Not really, I think.
So could you explain what is making it easiest?
It's not that complex to understand.
Okay. So how about the hardest part, Sam?
The
What
hardest
is
part,
yes,
understanding about how to do it correctly.
understanding. Okay. So it means that my feedback for you is you can create your own person with that, and then you can create more than one objects. Okay?
Okay,
I mean like maybe if you do not want to add this method, that method, you can add your own method. Okay, Sam?
okay.
Okay. Now, the last thing I wanna tell you is thank you so much for being here, and I really appreciate your agileness, Sam. And then later, if you kind of uh have a noise on there or your sister or brother uh wants something from you, you can mute your mic. I mean like it's
Okay,
okay.
I did.
It's okay. So I feel like don't worry about them. I mean like yeah, that's your family like that. Okay,
Yeah,
Sam?
yeah, I did mute it. So it's
Oh
just that
yeah.
they're too loud.
Okay. So I appreciate your effort, Sam, and I like your way how to explain something that's quite mind blowing for me. And then yeah, I just want to say thank you for all of that. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Do you have something to tell me?
Nope. Okay.
Okay. If nothing, thank you so much, and I'll see you at Tuesday. Okay, Sam?
Okay. Bye.
Okay. Bye.